What security trends are we seeing in messaging? Well, our research shows that it's really all over the map. A lot of decision makers are concerned about data leakage prevention. They're concerned about what's going out in email, through the web. They're concerned about how social media is used and so forth. So we're seeing a growing emphasis on making sure that the content that leaves an organization is not going to harm the organization in some way, that it's not going to create a liability from what somebody said, that it's not going to be sending out confidential information, sensitive information, and so forth. And there's a growing chorus, if you will, in Washington about the whole tenor of corporate governance. And so organizations are very concerned about complying with new regulations on the financial front and healthcare and so forth. There's also just a more concern about use of the web. Simple use of the web, simple web surfing can infect organizations, can infect networks. And what we're finding is that well over 80% of all of the malware that enters an organization today is coming from the web. It's not coming from email. That's not to say that email security isn't still a critical issue, but it's less of an issue than it was relative to the web. So you've got web security as a key issue just in terms of simple web surfing, and then the growing variety of Web 2.0 applications out there like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and literally thousands of others. So organizations are concerned about what's going out of the organization and what's on the web, as well as just the traditional things like email and just making sure that networks are virus free.